Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making sure your iPhone 15 is unlocked and connected to the internet. This avoids delays. Once done, open Settings and tap your name at the top to enter Apple ID. You need your device passcode to proceed, so keep it handy. It verifies it's you. This step begins the security flow and links changes to your account. Don't pause, move directly into account settings so you don't get signed out or blocked by extra verification prompts. Next, tap Password and Security in your Apple ID settings to find Change Password. You'll be asked for your device passcode to authenticate. Enter it immediately because Apple ties password changes to device verification. Once authenticated, type your new password and then re-enter it to confirm. Make sure the password meets Apple's rules. Use uppercase, lowercase, a digit, and avoid common phrases. This ensures iCloud and App Store access updates simultaneously, which prevents interrupted downloads or purchases. Finally, tap Change or Save to finalize your new App Store password. You'll see a confirmation and might be asked to sign back into the App Store. Go ahead and re-enter credentials where prompted so purchases and subscriptions continue working. If something goes wrong, restart the iPhone and check Apple ID status in Settings. Make sure time and date are correct and reset network settings if sign-in fails. This single troubleshooting tip fixes most sync or verification errors quickly, so you're back to normal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.